So I wanted to take just a brief second to tell you how to do the assignment that I'm asking for this week. Okay, so this is actually what it would look like when it was done. I'm going to go ahead and cancel it out and do it for you again. So when I ask you to do something on hypothesis, what I want you to do is you'll open up the hypothesis link and you'll see the text that I'm asking for. In this case, it's the syllabus. Okay, and it's very simple. You find a portion of the text that you want to talk about. Let's say, let's say I wanted to find out information about this. So I'm going to highlight and I want to talk about this because I have a question about it or I find it interesting. We'll get into more of that later. This is just how to use the platform. So I highlight a portion of the text. That might be one sentence. It might be more than a sentence. It might be less than a sentence. Doesn't matter right now. Once I've highlighted, I want to click on the annotate button. You don't want to click highlight because other people won't be able to see that. In the class won't be able to see that. Um, you want to click on annotate because then other people in the class will be able to see it. So I'm going to click on that annotate button and it's going to pull this up again. And I'm going to, in the dialog box, I'm going to write a question that I have about this. Now, I'm asking for open-ended questions, not yes or no questions. So, for example, with this one, the class meets 2 or 3 times per week, depending on the section. Maybe I'd write, do we meet 3 times a week? Obviously, I hope your questions are a little bit more interesting than that, but I'm just using this as an example. Once you've done that, you can click Post to Freshman Seminar. Whoop, and and then everybody else will be able to see what you've highlighted and the question that you have about it. Then we can reply to it. We can add all sorts of things like YouTube videos or images or dot 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 dot. But for right now, that's all I want you to know, right? Okay, I think that's it for right now. It's very, very simple, but I just wanted to give you a heads up on that. All right, see you soon.